Welcome back, gardeners. Today, we're focusing on one of the most crucial aspects of growing cucumbers, watering. Consistent watering is key to growing healthy plants and sweet, juicy cucumbers, especially during fruiting. Let's explore why proper watering is so important. Cucumbers are made up of about 95% water, so it's no surprise that they need a consistent supply to grow properly. Inconsistent watering, particularly during fruiting, can cause cucumbers to become bitter and misshapen. Keeping the soil evenly moist helps the plants develop sweet, flavorful fruits. The best way to water cucumbers is to apply water directly to the base of the plant, avoiding the leaves to reduce the risk of diseases like powdery mildew. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Using drip irrigation or a soaker hose is ideal for delivering water evenly and efficiently. Keep an eye out for signs of under- or overwatering. If the leaves start to wilt or turn yellow, you may need to adjust your watering schedule. Cucumbers should get about 1 to 2 inches of water per week, depending on the weather. Mulching around the plants can help retain moisture and prevent the soil from drying out too quickly. By maintaining consistent watering, especially during fruiting, you'll enjoy sweeter, more delicious cucumbers from your garden. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy growing!